Your internet have been surrounded, douchebag. You are the biggest fool on YouTube. You are a laughing stock, a tool, a whip me boy. I have not begun to open my can of whoop-ass on you, you little bitch. Do not worry your big forehead, because my attacks will be swift and strong. You are no match for me, you little pathetic puke. You sit on the can to do your videos. This is because they are so shitty it just runs from your pathetic, worn-out ass pipe. So, Michael Jerk Hen, bring it on, bitch. You think you have something? Fuck yourself, bitch.